Have you ever been bitten by a dog? Or have you ever seen someone who has been bitten by a dog? You are welcome to my channel, Ask Nurse Malik. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let me share an experience with you. Some weeks ago, we received two male patients that was bitten by a dog. One was bitten under his scrotum, while the other just had a mild cut on his hand. We intended admitting the both patients in the hospital, but the one that was bitten on his arm refused to be admitted and refused to take medications and vaccinations. And the other that had the major injury had to go in for the admission and take the proper medications and the anti-rabies vaccines. He was treated, given proper service, and discharged. Then the other that just had a mild scratch on his hand refused to be admitted and to take the necessary medications and injections because he thought it was just a mild scratch that he has gotten. As a health practitioner that we are, we had to convince him to take the necessary vaccination for anti-rabies because it is not what he thought it was, but it is more severe in its end stage than he thinks. Earlier this morning, we received this same patient back into the ward with rabies infection. Once rabies has gotten to its end stage, there's almost nothing can be done. Rabies is a viral infection that stays in the mouth of those animals, especially dog. Once they bite, they infect you with the rabies in their mouth through the wound into your body. As the rabies infection gets into your body, it finds its way to travel through the nerve to your brain. As it gets to your brain, it begins to impair many functions when it reaches its complicated stage. Once it gets to the brain, it begins to impair your speech coordination and your movement. Then you start barking like a dog and you start staggering and start shaking everywhere like you want to bring down the building. Let me tell you what to do once you got bitten by a dog. First thing first, wash under a running water for about 15 minutes with soap, gently and properly. This will help you in a long way. 2. Apply pressure. You apply pressure when there are excess bleeding so that you can prevent excessive blood loss from your body. Do not cover the wound. Let it drain out whatever fluids in it that it needed to be drained out. Then go to the hospital. Very, very important. Go to the hospital, take the necessary medication, take the necessary vaccine for the rabies infection because to you, rabies is nothing, but it is more dangerous and severe than what you think. Rabies is bad. Dog bite is bad. Help yourself and help others. Share, like, and comment about your experiences you've had about dog bite and rabies infection. Thank you.